Alam mo ba na ang 20 minutes a day na full attention para sa anak mo ay mas powerful pa kaysa sa isang buong araw ng distracted presence? Science says ito ang golden window para sa emotional connection. At dito mo talaga mabibuild yung influence bilang magulang. So, paano ba natin to gagawin? First, unplug completely. No phones, no chores. Make eye contact, yakap, kwentuhan kayo ng kahit anong topic. Second, set firm yet loving boundaries. Third, practice active listening. Ulitin mo ang sinabi niya at hanapin ang feelings behind the words. Tandaan na ang small intention actions ay kadalasan mas importante kaysa sa grand gestures. Kahit 20 minutes a day, kapag present ka ng buo, ramdam nila yan. Safe ako, mahalaga ako. Remember, set aside 20 minutes a day. Walang distractions, puro ikaw at ako lang. Presence is the language of love. Speak it daily.